Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to new video story course. So look at the view guys. Have you ever visited somewhere by riding the cycle? If the answer will yes, so I think you have experienced how to ride, how to visit somewhere by riding cycle, and what, how many tractions to face by by riding the cycle, by riding the cycle, right? And right now I'm very exaggerated. I'm very thirsty because of since morning I have been riding cycle. So that's the thing actually. I have come here. It's too much far for my village, for my home. We have come here for passion, and we are wandering this place. It's totally amazing. We have come here in the morning time to visit this place, and morning time is good. And also, if it will by riding cycle, it might be also big good, right? So for this reason, actually, I've come here. As you can see, guys, I'm riding cycle, and the natural beauty. Oh my God, fascinating, amazing, excellent. I can say in a word, can't explain, right? So if you like this, if you like my video, and those who are watching my video, if you like, please subscribe my channel so that I can make so many videos for you, for my audience, and so that I can practice my speaking English by making video. And though I'm a learner, also you are a learner, but I have a Facebook page, and I'm keen on to help you every single moment, right? And look at them. Oh my God, actually it's thumbnail of this place. It's the thumbnail of this tree. There lemon is climbing. Lemon has been climbed on this thing, and they are trying to capturing some picture. So look at the view, guys. So it's amazing. You can see what a moment. What a moment. Okay, so if I will capture your picture, you should give me money.
No problem. Of course, sometimes like-
Per picture 10 taka.
Just capture it.
No. Okay.
You can make it.